Hello everyone. On today, we will be focusing on math. So we will do one-to-one correspondence counting. We will do number recognition. We will also work with patterns, and we will trace our hexagon, which is our shape for this month. And we will do paperclip math. So let's go ahead and get started with our one-to-one correspondence. One-to-one correspondence is simply just touching an object and counting them only one time each. So let's get started. Let's start here with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have 10 objects. Would you guys like to count with me? Let's start with the green cow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's good counting, guys. Now I would like to move on to the patterns. So I have tape on my paper so I can stick the objects that we're going to make patterns with. So this first object is a square, an orange square. So we'll place that square on that. Then my next object will be, do anybody know what this is? It's a triangle. How do we know that's a triangle? Because it has 1, 2, 3 sides. It has 3 sides. So my next object is another orange square. Stick it here. And then we will go with green triangle, orange square. So that's our pattern. We have orange, green, orange, green, orange. Or we can say we have square, triangle, square, triangle, square. What's next? We have our question mark. What goes in that question mark? Let's try again. Square, triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle. Very good. Okay, so for our next pattern, we're going to use a red trapezoid. We'll start with that. Place it here. And then we have, you guys know what this is. That's our blue diamond, red trapezoid, blue diamond, and then we have our question mark. So let's look at this pattern. Trapezoid, diamond, trapezoid, diamond. What's next? Red, blue, red, blue, red. Our red trapezoid goes there. Very good. All right, I think you guys may have the hang of the patterns. Let's try one that's going to be a little bit difficult. I already got it on the paper. So we're going to do diamond, diamond, hexagon. Diamond, diamond, hexagon. What's next? I almost let it slip. Let's try again. Diamond, diamond, hexagon, diamond, diamond, hexagon. What's next? Right. Diamond. The diamond comes next. So we had 2, then 1, 2, then 1. And then we have 2. Good job on patterns. Okay, now let's work on number recognition. Let's see if you guys know these numbers. This is the number 1, and it has 1 dump truck on it. This is the word 1, and this is the Spanish word for 1, which is uno. So this is the number 1, which is spelled O-N-E, uno, and it has 1 truck. This is the number 2, T-W-O, which is dos in Spanish, and we have 1, 2 rainbows. Those are beautiful rainbows. Let's look at this number. This is the number 3. We spell 3, T-H-R-E-E. In Spanish, that's tres. And we have 1, 2, 3 dragonflies. This is the number 4. This is the number 4. We spell 4, F-O-U-R, and it's cuatro in Spanish, and that's kind of flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4, the word 4, cuatro in Spanish, and 4 flowers. And this is our number 5. 5 we spell F-I-V-E, and that's cinco in Spanish, and let's count our shovels and rakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the number 5. So those are the 5 numbers that we're going to work with today. So let's see if we can take our own objects and place them with the correct number. So I have different objects here, and we're going to see if we can place them, count, and put them in the correct spot. So let's see what we can have here. All right, excuse me. Let's count these. How many do we have here? Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which one of these numbers would match that group? Which number is the number 5? Let's see. Is this the number 5? No, because that's the number 3. And we can tell that because it has 1, 2, 3 objects on that card. So let's find our number 5. I believe this is the number 5. So that number will go with this group of animals. So that's our number 5. Let's do one more. Let's do 3. No, let's do 2. 1, 2. That's 1, 2 red cows. Now let's find our number 2. This is the number 2 because it has 1, 2. 2 rainbows. The number 2 matches the 2 cows. All right, so that's how we match our objects with our numbers. So if you're at home, you could take some Cheerios, you can take let's see, Fruit Loops, fruit snacks, whatever you have, mom and dad, and write a number down and let them put those snacks on that number and help them start to count objects with numbers. Okay, so with this lesson, we're going to do a little addition. We're going to add. That's what the plus sign means. Remember, we're going to add some things together. So we're going to start simple with the number 1. And we need to find one object to put on there. So that's the number 1. And then we have the number 2. Yes, that's the number 2. So we should put 2 paper clips on that one. So we have the number 1 plus 2. And that's our equal sign. What does 1 plus 2 equal? Let's count them. We have to add them together. That means we put them together. So that's 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So remember, when we add, we just take our numbers and we put them together and we count them. And we put them together. So we have 1 magnet plus 2 magnets equals 3. So let me try this again because I'm used the wrong word. It's 1 paper clip plus 2 paper clips equals 3 paper clips. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we're going to work on tracing our hexagon. Our hexagon is the shape that we're working on that we're learning for the month of April. And this is our hexagon. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. It has 6 sides, so that's why we know that it is a hexagon. So let's see if we can trace this hexagon. I put some dots on this paper also, but I traced the hexagon. I dotted it so, and what we would do, we would just take and go straight across. It's kind of hard for me to do because I'm trying to hold the camera and trace at the same time. So that's 2 sides. That's 3. 4. 5 and 6. So we have 6 sides. They were supposed to be equal. They're almost equal, kind of curvy, but it's 6 sides to that hexagon. So that will be all for today. We focused on our math. And we did one-to-one reading, one-to-one math correspondence. We did patterns. We did numbering objects. We traced our hexagon, and we did number recognition. So today was all about math. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.